Hi guys, welcome back to my channel and to my simple 6-step evening cleaning routine. Today I thought I would take you through the cleaning tasks that we try to do each evening to really reset our home for the next day. And obviously every night is slightly different, but these are the 6 things that we try to stick to and get done every evening so that we can come down to a nice clean home each morning. So I'm going to show you the dishes, how we tidy up with the kids. It really does get messy by the end of the day as a family of 5. We're also going to be wiping down surfaces, talking about the floors and how we kind of reset our living area. So I hope you really enjoy this video. I hope it gives you a little bit of inspiration. If you do like it, please give it a big thumbs up. And if you're new around here, I would love you to subscribe if you like cleaning content, because I make a lot of it. But with all that said, let's jump into the evening cleaning routine. Okay, so the first step to my evening cleaning routine is dishes. So as soon as the kids get home from school, I start emptying their lunch bags and their snack boxes and putting them into the dishwasher, or I tend to hand wash the water bottles. If you've ever left these for a couple of days, you'll know why it's a good idea to start emptying these immediately. And while I am putting things into the dishwasher, I have this beautiful view. I'm loving this window that I can see the kids playing in the garden. But then for dinner tonight, we had lasagna. I did a batch cook the other day. We've had it for a couple of nights now. And I love lasagna. It's so nice and warming. But one thing I don't actually love is the baked on stains, because they can be such a pain to remove. But tonight I'm doing a bit of an experiment, because Fairy have challenged me to switch to a short cycle with their new Fairy Platinum Plus all-in-one lemon dishwasher tablets. With these, you don't have to pre-soak, and you can use them on a short cycle and they'll still get your dishes spotless and clean. So we're going to really test it out today. So as I showed you, I had 2 lasagna dishes, and I actually washed one with an old dishwasher tablet on a normal cycle, and now I'm going to wash the dish from tonight on a short cycle with the new Fairy Platinum Plus dishwasher tablets. I actually saw these in action when I went to P&G in Brussels, because I was having some training there. I'm an ambassador with them, and they showed how quickly they break down and start working on stains, and it was pretty incredible. So let's test it out tonight. Yes, so after dinner there was quite a bit of mess, just really greasy plates and cutlery. Luckily the boys are pretty good at putting their dishes into the dishwasher, and as I said, with the Fairy tablets you don't have to pre-soak or pre-rinse, which is really handy. I think Matt had a difficult time getting his head around this, but I think you'll be pretty amazed at how clean things come out, even though we haven't pre-soaked anything. So that's Fraser putting his in. He's getting so big, guys. Jackson as well. Caleb was actually at a Valentine's disco when we filmed this, so he didn't have to put his in. I'm just going to put that in and then add the lasagna dish upside down, add one of the Fairy Platinum Plus tablets, and our machine's short cycle is literally 30 minutes, so it is a really quick one. Yes, I'm just going to let that run, and while it is, I'm going to help the kids with some homework. Obviously, it's only 30 minutes, and then I'm going to open it up, and I always joke that this is the only type of steam facial that I get now that I am a mum when I empty the dishwasher. But anyway, let's have a look at how clean the dishes are, and especially that lasagna pan. As you can see, it is absolutely spotless. I only did it on a 30-minute cycle with the Fairy Platinum Plus, and it has got every single stain off of it. And if I can show you in contrast to the dish that I washed last night on a regular cycle with a different tablet, this is how it came out. It still had the baked on stains all around the edge. I'll still have to soak this or rewash it, try and scrub all of those stains off, whereas the Fairy Platinum Plus, it has just completely got everything off of it. And the best thing about it is that it can actually save you so much time and so much much money towards your energy bill, because by switching to a short cycle and using Fairy Platinum Plus, you can save up to 33% more energy than you can on a regular auto wash. So this can obviously go towards your dishwashing bill, your energy prices are, on the rise. So it's definitely worth switching. And in my opinion, there is no competitor on the market that is as good as the Fairy Platinum Plus. That's my personal opinion, and you can kind of see it for yourself here as well. Yes, but the new formula is out now. It's available in stores and it makes a lot of sense to switch. So yeah, you could save yourself time, money, and energy as well. But now I'm just going to empty the dishwasher. I actually normally leave the dishwasher till the morning, but I thought as I'm on a roll and I'm filming that I would just empty it all tonight. I also had a couple of things that I just wanted to wash up by hand. Sometimes things don't necessarily fit in and I tend to do their cups by hand. I'm not sure why, but while I have been doing that, the kids have trashed the house. So basically Jackson, it's the cutest hobby ever. He loves drawing. He gets really into it, as you can see here. Tonight he's drawn this cat donut and cappuccino thing, and he's also done this little one that says Jackson Leo Norris and a portrait of himself. He's really into it. He's going to be some kind of artist, I'm sure, but he's been obviously making a big mess on the dining table. Caleb's back now as well, and then Fraser has been doing his homework on the island. So there's just books and paper everywhere, so I just got the boys to help me tidy up. They are really good at this. It only takes like 5-10 minutes. It's probably mostly me doing the stuff, but they do actually try and help. Like you can see them spraying the surface spray, wiping down the table. Yeah, so that is the second step. I'm getting the kids to help me tidy up their toys. Jackson is a very keen cleaner. He really likes things to be in their place. And then the next step is to wipe down the surfaces. Obviously, there's stuff on the counters from making dinner, from us eating as well. So I tend to wipe down the kitchen counters every night, the dining table if it needs it, and if the coffee tables are like a bit dusty, it doesn't take a second for me to wipe them down as well. So I'm just going to run around. Normally at this stage as well, either me or Matt will take the kids upstairs for showers and baths. We almost fight over who's going to do the cleaning because it's quite relaxing. You can put on a podcast or some music and quickly wipe down the surfaces. But because this is my channel and my cleaning thing, I got to do it tonight. So I am going to just run around, wipe down all of the kitchen counters and any other surfaces that need it. The fourth step in my evening cleaning routine is the floors. So first off, I'm just going to put these shoes in this drawer. We've kind of designated it for shoes for the back garden, and then I'm going to run around and just tidy up the floors. Most evenings I kind of just need to sweep, like I have a handheld dustpan and brush, but tonight it was actually quite messy. There were bits of food on the floor, dust. I'm just kind of straightening out the runners as well, and then I'm just going to run around with my vacuum really quickly, just focusing on under the island chairs and under the dining table as well. The floors are so easy and quick to clean now that the kids are older. I remember when they were babies and they were weaning, almost every night I have to get down on my hands and knees with a mop and like clean the floors really well because they just chuck food everywhere. So if you're at that stage at the moment, just know there is a light at the end of the tunnel. Life is definitely a lot cleaner now. Then once that's all done, I'm going to come upstairs. The boys are often out of the bath by now and kind of watching a show on the projector. We normally let them have, like, we call it a movie night, but it's pretty much just 20 minutes of something. We'll do that and then we'll read. But while they're just chilling out, I will do anything to do with laundry. I've said it before on here, but the biggest step that I struggle with when it comes to laundry is the actual putting away of everything. But now the kids are older, sometimes when they're in the bath or chilling out afterwards, it gives me an opportunity to actually put some things away. So that is what I'm doing, just putting some of Caleb's clothes away, and then I might put a load of laundry on. I think I am actually going to put a load on. We've worked out that it's actually cheaper for us to do laundry in the evenings because of our energy bills. So I'm going to put a load on. It only takes an hour, and then I hang it out later on. So I've kind of put this together so that you kind of know, like, this step is laundry, but there has been an hour kind of between clips, and we're also trying to hang out as much as we possibly can because, again, we're trying to save energy. And actually we had these heated like, I guess they are like towel rails put in our utility room, and they've been working really well to hang the laundry. And we've also got this bar as well, so any of the kids like school jumpers or tops, we can hang them up on hangers, and then they're really easy to just take off of that and hang them straight into their wardrobes. And once all of that is done, I'm going to come downstairs and clean the kitchen sink. I'm just going to put anything away that's been drying on the rack, anything that I hand washed, and then actually give the sink a really quick scrub as well. I do this every night because it feels like once I have quickly just rinsed the sink out, given it a clean, it's a real signal to me like, okay, everything is done now. The kids are in bed at this point. The kitchen sink is clean. Like, you can sit on the couch and just chill, watch TV. So I don't know if anyone else feels like this, or give it a try tonight. Really clean it, and it's so nice to come down to in the morning. Or let me know if you understand where I'm coming from. But it's a bit like in the morning when I make my bed, I'm like, okay, let's do the day. When I clean the sink, it's kind of like, okay, relax, Emily, just chill out. And then the space looks like this when we do sit down and finally relax. We're actually watching a new series at the moment called Happy Valley, and we've been staying up way too late watching it. It's very addictive, and like the acting is incredible. But at the end of the night, it's probably like 11:30 at this point. I know it's probably too late. I'm going to let the dog out and then reset the couch. Obviously, sometimes I can't be bothered to do this, but most of the time it's nice if I can just like put the blanket away, fluff up some of the cushions, sort out the couch a little bit again, because then it's just like done for the morning. So I've got this handy drawer over here for the blanket, and then that is everything that I'm going to do. I'll get Kiki in. We'll go upstairs to bed, and that is how we kind of reset the house every day. I hope you really enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye, guys.